Hi guys, welcome to Gummy Goomey and another video with us. This time a reaction about the new song that RM just released today. We are shopping and we can't wait to arrive home and to listen to the music and to react to that for you. So
we're gonna do it right now. So his mixtape, he announced it, he was gonna release it in like 3 days ago. And I just got another notification saying it's trending, but it's Forever Rain.
Okay, before we start, do not forget, subscribe our channel and please give this video a big thumbs up to help us, okay? Stay with us. Forever Rain. It remembers the rain immediately when it starts.
Oh, the animations just look amazing already.
Beautiful.
Credits to who drew this, because this is amazing.
Very good. Who do you think is playing the piano?
Oh, I don't know.
Beautiful, guys, beautiful.
I wonder if there's like hidden messages for their comeback as well.
Looks like Aaron. Oh, it has been gruesome.
Oh. I feel like it has a lot of like hidden meanings in it.
Beautiful, guys. And it looks like it has a dark side, hidden something. Head down to my heels, so sadness.
Maybe they could link to how many people he has to be or portray.
This is related to sadness, deep feelings. And it's great.
It's amazing.
Chorus in English, Forever Rain.
I can already hear all the theories coming about it.
Guys, I don't like rap music, but this is great.
There's a lot of metaphors in it as well.
And it induces you to think about depression as well. Loneliness and depression.
Maybe how he feels isolated from the world because all the umbrellas like turned away.
Even being surrounded by so many people, feeling lonely. That's my understanding. And it looks like he's more sad. Deep sadness. The main idea it is giving me so far is the idea of depression, sadness and loneliness, despite being surrounded by so many people, being lonely. Probably as they work so hard and they might be missing some love in their lives. I don't know, that's just my opinion. this music is absolutely amazing. I do not like rap music, but this music is so beautiful. Also the lyrics are so thoughtful, so deep. They touch you deep in your heart. How did you feel about that, Constance?
I think it was really amazing, and once again it shows that the way they speak through their music, and you can really feel the passion and the emotions behind the song. And it was just nice and calming, and I can imagine myself like walking home from school, my headphones, like listening to that song and just like reflecting on my day and like stuff. And I think it was just really good. I was just really like taken aback because I didn't know what to expect, because his first mixtape, it was all kind of like getting back at the haters, you know, it was like all the anger that was in him, but this one seemed like getting in tune with oneself, which could probably link to the next comeback or the previous comeback, I don't know, but it's just amazing.
I just love it, and with my age I find this just incredible. I find this absolutely amazing. Really good music. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video. Sorry about the noise because I had to turn the car on, but we couldn't wait to arrive home to react to this song. We couldn't wait more because it was just released and we really wanted to capture our first reaction to this song. And guess what we will be doing now on our way home? We will be listening that once again and once again and once again. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and give this video a big thumbs up and stay with us.
I purple you.
I purple you too.